Good day everyone, so my name is Kevin Andrada, and in this video, we will explore the tools, materials, and equipment required for assembling electronic products, and we will provide a detailed overview of the various components necessary for a successful assembly process, ensuring that you have all the resources you need to produce high quality for electronic devices, either you are beginner or an experienced professional. So understanding the tools, materials, and equipment used in electronic product assembly. So let's start.
First, is soldering iron a tool used to joining metal permanently by applying heat to melt the solder. How it works: when you plug in the soldering iron, electricity flows through a heating element inside the iron, heating up the metal tip. The tip can reach temperature high enough to melt solder, typically around 350 to 450 degrees Celsius, 660 to 840 degree Fahrenheit, depending on the type of solder and the application. Once the soldering iron is heated, you can touch the tip to the joint where you want to solder. The heat from the tip transfers to the metal surface, causing the solder to melt and load the joint. As the solder cools, it solidifies, creating a strong and conductive bond between the two metal pieces.
Second is the soldering pump. It is used in removing soldered wires and components on the PCB for troubleshooting and repair purposes. A desoldering pump, also known as a solder sucker or solder vacuum, is a tool used to remove solder from electronic components and circuit boards. It's an essential tool for repairing or modifying electronic devices. Desoldering pumps are widely used in electronics repair and rework because they offer a quick and efficient way to remove solder without damaging delicate components or circuit boards. They're particularly useful for desoldering through-hole components like resistors, capacitors, and connectors. With practice, using a desoldering pump can help you achieve clean and precise desoldering results, saving both time and efforts in electronic repair tasks.
And third is a soldering stand, a tool where the soldering iron is placed during a usage. A soldering stand is an essential tool used in electronics and metalwork for holding a soldering iron securely when it's not in use. The stand typically consists of a base and a holder. A soldering stand is an essential tool used in electronics and metalwork for holding a soldering iron securely when it's not in use. The stand typically consists of a base and a holder.
Fourth is soldering lead, the filler metal used in soldering. Soldering lead, also known as solder, is a crucial component in electronics and metalworks. Used to join two metal surfaces together is a fusible metal alloy typically composed of a mixture of tin and lead. Although lead-free alternatives are becoming more common due to environmental and health concerns associated. How it works: when heated, solder melts and flows into the tiny crevices and pores of the metal surfaces being joined. As it cools, it solidifies, creating a strong bond between the two surfaces. This process is known as soldering. Lead-based solder has been traditionally favored due to its low melting point, around 183 degrees Celsius, making it easy to work with using standard soldering irons. It also creates reliable and durable connections.
And the fifth is a flathead screwdriver is negative head used to drive or fasten negative screw. A flathead screwdriver is fundamental in ring of fastening and construction. It designed a future flathead wedge-shaped tip which is fit in single slot head of flathead screw. Flathead screw is frequently used in woodworking project, furniture assembly, electrical installation, and general household maintenance. Consequently, flathead screwdriver is dispensable tools for professionals like carpenters, electricians, plumbers, and DIY enthusiasts. 6 is a long nose pliers used for bending, stretching, and holding terminal leads of components and wire. Long nose pliers, also known as needle nose pliers or simple needle nose, are type of hand tool commonly found in toolbox, workshop, and household. They are characterized by their elongated, slender jaw that taper to the point resembling the shape of needle or bird's beak. They are pliers incredibly versatile due to their long and slender jaw. They are primarily used for gripping, bending, cutting, and manipulating small objects in situations where finger or larger tool will be too cumbersome.
Seven is side cutter pliers. Side cutter pliers is used for cutting wires and textile terminal leads. Side cutter pliers, also known simply as side cutters or diagonal pliers, are types of hand tool commonly used in various trends and DIY projects. These pliers have a unique cutting edge that is angled relative to handles, allowing them to cut wires, cables, and other materials flush.
And 8 is wire stripper. Wire stripper, it cuts the insulation of the wire without the cutting the wire. A wire stripper is tool commonly used in electronics and electrical work to remove the insulation from the ends of wires. In electronic products, wire stripper play a crucial role in preparing wires for connection with or soldering components onto circuit board. Connecting wires to terminals or any other wiring tasks in electronic product assembly, precise and consistent wire stripping is essential for ensuring reliable connection and preventing short circuits or electrical failures. Wire stripper come in various designs including manual, handheld models, and automatic or semi-automatic machines used in high-volume manufacturing settings.
9 is utility knife. Utility knife is used for cutting various and crafts for a variety of purposes. A utility knife with a sharp blade allows assembly workers to make clean and accurate cuts, ensuring components fit together seamlessly. Time is crucial in electronic assembly, and utility knife helps expedite the process. With its sharp blade and ergonomic design, workers can safely cut through materials without exerting excessive effort, leading to increased efficiency on the assembly line. Intent is cleaning brush. Cleaning brush is used for cleaning the circuit. Cleaning brush play a crucial role in assembling electronic products by ensuring cleanliness and preventing contamination during the manufacturing process. These brushes are designed with a specific materials and configuration to effectively remove debris, dust, and other particles from delicate electronic components without causing damage.
And lastly, multitester. Multitester is used for measuring voltage, current, and resistance. It is used for troubleshooting. To use a multitester, set the dial to the desired function such as voltage, current, or resistance. Connect the black probe to the common terminal and the red probe to the appropriate terminal for the measurement. Place the probes across the component or circuit, then read the display for the measured value.